In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your network marketing opportunity from a job into an actual opportunity, a business that can run for you 24/7, 365. This is a major problem that network marketers have, is they are treating the network marketing opportunity like a job, meaning a job to me means it only works for you when you are working on it, right? And so a lot of network marketers, they're struggling, they're frustrated because they just don't have enough time to put into the network marketing opportunity because they're actively, manually doing a lot of the work that's required in a job. So let me show you what I do to treat my network marketing opportunity like a business that runs for me 24/7, 365, and it's all run on autopilot. So I can be prospecting, I can be selling, I can be doing whatever I want. I can be selling and prospecting while I'm doing whatever I want, I should say. So if you are watching this video, congratulations, you're already thinking outside the box of the traditional way of doing network marketing, which is DMing people, texting people, calling people, and you actively being involved in the process of prospecting. This is basically why network marketing is, in my opinion, just a glorified sales job or a glorified job in general, because you have to actively be out there looking for people. They're not going to be coming to you. You're going to be out there prospecting and pushing products on people. But I like to think of okay, what does a business do? Like, I think of McDonald's or any other kind of franchise. What do they do to get customers? They're not knocking on people's doors. They're not getting their friends to try and recruit friends, right? What they're doing is marketing. Marketing is a way of getting people's attention, and they do it in such a strategic way that we can learn from it as network marketers as well. The major thing that they do as a franchise is they put their franchise in places that they know people are going to be. This is their secret sauce, so to speak, is they put their locations on a very heavy traffic road where lots of people are going to be driving by. And because so many people are driving by, it is almost guaranteed to work. And because of the location, almost any type of company would work there because of so many people are driving by. Now, when it comes to the internet with us, how do we as network marketers set up a little franchise shop that is in front of all of this traffic or all these people? How do we do that? Okay, how do we do it in an automated way so we're not having to manually reach out to people? The best way that you can do this is by making a video every single day. Okay, I think of videos like my reels and my TikToks and the things that I'm making on short form content that's really easy to make. Those are like my little franchisees that are out there working for me 24/7, 365. They're working for me. And because I'm making content around a certain subject, that video goes in front of that traffic, right? I think of every single, it's kind of crazy to think about humans when they're scrolling. I think of them as on a road, right? And they're scrolling, and all of these videos that they're seeing are the billboards, and they're the stores that they're passing by on the road, right? And eventually one of these videos they're going to see, and they're like, oh, I need that. I need to buy that. Or that's interesting. I was actually just thinking about that, right? And because Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, the algorithms are so good, they know that, hey, you're interested in fitness. Hey, you're interested in beauty. Hey, you're interested in starting a business. They're going to keep showing you those videos, right? And then on top of that, intermingled with these videos are advertisements, which we'll talk about later. But for you as a network marketer, you just need to make a video every single day, and it will increase your chances. I keep doing this because it's just imagine your customer is walking down a road, and they're just walking and they're looking, and they see all these video, and these videos are custom to them. And these videos could be you. These videos could be you explaining how your product can help solve their problem. So that's the very first thing, is you need to get your little digital marketing franchise working for you by making videos every single day. Once you find videos that do well, then you can put some money behind it, but that's a subject for another video. But once you get people's attention with these videos, what you want to do next is have a way to educate and provide a service or a transaction to that person, right? The person that started McDonald's, they set up a little system. So when people come through, they do a little drive-through, or when they order a burger, the burger's done in a few seconds and it pops out to them, right? You need to have a system as well. So when someone is interested in your fitness thing, boom, they put in their information, boom, and it sends them a video, or it sends them some kind of content, it sends them a lead magnet. A lead magnet, if you're not familiar, is just a way to provide information to your customer and ideally, or to your prospect, and ideally it will sell them on your products and your opportunity and get people to be ready to purchase. And they can even just reach out to you and say, where do I sign up? Or you can even have them sign up on the spot. If you want to learn how to make one of these lead magnets, these digital recruiting products, as I like to call them, then come join my new challenge that's coming up here soon called the Lead Magnet Lab. It'll teach you everything that you need to know about creating a lead magnet, how to promote the lead magnet, how to get it so you can actually have something working for you 24/7, 365, all over the world. And the best part is, once you get someone's contact information, normally it's like their name and their email, and you say, put in your name and your email, I'll give you my lead magnet. It's something free. It's going to be amazing for you. The cool thing is, once you build up this list, like you can get 10 people a day, 20 people a day, right? Like, and then eventually you can have hundreds of people on this list, thousands of people on this list. The goal is, and this is the goal, right? It's not actual real numbers that you know, everyone's different. You should be shooting for making $1 per name per month on that email list that you have. So that's what's really cool about this, is you're building this asset that will grow over time. And that is really the key to business. You see these companies and they say, oh, this company got sold for, millions of dollars, and this one over here got sold for millions of dollars. And the reason why these companies get sold for millions of dollars rather than the competitor just remaking the, copycatting the company, the reason why is because that company that's getting purchased has a database of, potentially hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people or customers that are in this database. I think of Mr. Wonderful with Shark Tank, and he had like some cat product, and he's like, we got the largest cat database in the world, and he was able to sell the company, and the company just bought the company, another company bought it because of the database of all of the customers that had cats, right? That is the valuable asset that you're building. And that can help you out in the future as well. Having this email list of thousands of people, you can send one email out, boom, blast it out to thousands of people and promote your products, promote your opportunity, and it's using leverage, one-to-many selling, so you're not having to DM people one at a time. But I go over all of that, creating that lead magnet, what you should actually be coming up with ideas for a lead magnet, all inside the Lead Magnet Lab. So if you want to come and join us, we will be starting here soon. You can get discounted pricing before we start on July 1st. If it's after July 1st and you're watching this, you can still come and join, and I'll see you on the inside.